Add pot on your cooker? Fix it fast. That message means the base isn't detecting the cooking pot. Here's how to clear it safely and get cooking again. Step 1. Seat the pot correctly. Lift the lid off. Set the pot straight down into the base so it sits flat and snug all the way around. Don't run the unit without the pot. Press power and select a simple function like sear saute to test detection. Step 2. Reseat and clean the contact area. Lift the pot out. With the unit unplugged and cool, wipe the pot's bottom and the flat ring inside the base where the pot sits. Tiny crumbs or oil here can block detection. Use a lint-free microfiber cloth for a safe, non-abrasive wipe. I've linked the set I use in the description. It reaches the rim and inner ring without scratching and keeps the sensor reading correctly. Step 3. Check for anything between pot and base. Remove any liners, foil, or folded towels under the pot. The pot must touch the base directly. Make sure the pot and the base are completely dry before you put the pot back in. Step 4. Do a proper reset. With the pot installed, turn the unit off, unplug it for 2 minutes, then plug back in. Press power and select sear saute again. A clean reset can restore the pot sensor after a false trigger. Step 5. Inspect the center area gently. Look down into the base's center area for stuck debris. If you see crumbs or dried spills, wipe them away gently with that same microfiber cloth. Don't press or poke anything inside the base. Reseat the pot and test. If the cooker still shows add pot after these checks, the pot sensor may need service. Use the support link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you clear the error, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a lint-free microfiber cloth, I've linked the one I use below. It cleans the pot rim and base without scratching, so the sensor reads correctly. Thanks for watching, and pot in, problem out.